Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am showing you what I have created with the dies that I received from Beebeecraft. And you can watch the full unboxing if you want to see everything exactly, but this gives you sort of a general idea of what the dies look like. So it's one die, 4 different ways. This is one of the little tires that fell out here. And I'm going to show you what I have created with this. So here is a traveler's notebook. This is an Echo Park traveler's notebook. And I have made a cover for 4 different notebooks. And the first one here is created with Magical Forest, and it is a happy birthday theme. So as you can see, the license plate changes, and that's the only thing that changes, as well as the papers and designs that I've done in each section. But you basically can choose all of your colors and make it the theme that you desire. I'll show you the inside as well here. So these are some of the interiors. So this is like a blank page traveler's notebook. I love how the hearts off of the Magical Forest blend into the theme of this crate. This is not crate paper, actually. This is Simple Stories. I love this collection. It's actually one of my favorite collections. I just love the colors and the images and everything that came in this collection. I did a lot of fussy cutting on this one. So you can see here, all of the elements are the same. We've got the tires, the bumper, the car, the windows, the balloons, and the only thing that's changed is the license plate. And so now I've created an entirely different look for this page, themed either anniversary, Valentine's Day, or just a general love you. With this one I put Happy Heart Day because this Heart Day collection had word cut aparts, and then I made the license plate wink wink. So that was super cute. And then the inside there, and this is actually a calendar page that you can have a monthly calendar in this notebook. The next one that I have done is an Easter, Happy Easter car, Happy Spring. So this is a super cute combination. Now you could use these for cards or scrapbook layouts, and it's just such a gorgeous combination. I made the steering wheel one of the buttons here from the brads that came in this set, and you can see just all the fun sort of elements that I've added to create the background. I've got some foil iridescent doilies, these gorgeous feathers. They add just like a really nice texture. And again, it's nice, the back of this one is pink, so that's cute sort of tie-in that matches really well. And then inside here, good ideas start with coffee. So you've got like some tie-in because there are some black elements that tie in nicely with the fonts of this one here. And this is now a lined paper. So we've had blank, we've had calendars, we've had lined, and so these are the little pockets that I've created just with a 12 by 12 page. And then I also love how the yellow ties into my last one, which is the Happy Halloween. So I thought this was the perfect showcase because you do have sort of like the seasonal changes in the, oh, I've got one of these stickers stuck here. You have seasonal changes that that go through your traveler's notebook. So this could be a yearly event, and this could be a fall sort of page here. I'll show you actually what this one looks like inside here. I'll get coffee and then the world. And then this one again is just blank pages, and that's sort of a cute, fun sort of ending to this notebook. So if you want to use code POKA5 to save $5 off your $40 Beebeecraft order, they have numerous amazing things. They have a lot of really good dies. You're going to see another video coming up that I am going to create with the next set of dies that I received from them. But they have so many things like beads and charms and all kinds of amazing wonderfulness. So thank you so much for watching. There are links down below if you're interested in this set specifically. And if you haven't already subscribed and you want to see my next video that I create with the next set of dies, hit the notification bell and then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.